So today, you guessed it, we're going to be doing some more VL Commodore stuff. So I have a 87 Series 2 Calais Grandpa spec, as you can see here. We are going to pull the motor and box out because we have a turbo motor to go in this bad boy. So what I need to do is, I normally remove the engine wiring harness first, disconnect all my lines, pull radiator, that kind of stuff, bring it up on the hoist, disconnect the exhaust, pull out the tail shaft, yeah, and then get the motor and box ready to drop out. So let's get stuck into it. It's got a nice fuel filter on it. Look at this. Power pipes. What do you reckon, Reese?
I reckon she's a diamond in the rough, mate.
Diamond in the rough?
Yep.
Like me?
It's about to be one motor out.
One motor out?
Yes. At the moment it's one car up.
One car up. Fuck, I should have turned that light off. I'm wasting old batteries. take it off or whatever. Yeah, you can take it off. Thanks, Fred.
No worries, dog.
Thanks, Brendan.
No worries, mate.
Engine out, Reese.
One engine, out. On the bench,
On the bench.
on the bench.
On the bench.
One engine, one box, out. Together.
It's a pain in the ass.